Yo, I'm Nez, and I'm down in the man cave dropping another impromptu review on y'all. And this time, what we're going to do a review of is the BAM. This is the Rcgeek multifunction tablet bracket. Now, this is one of those brackets that you use to put in your drone controller, so that way you can use a tablet as instead of your phone, so that way you can have a bigger field of view, because most drone controllers don't come with a big enough slot to fit an actual tablet in there. So this company made one to help you out there. So let's get into it. But before we get into this, I want you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell, so that way you can be notified whenever I put videos like this. And if you're feeling this video, if you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up, baby, and also hit that share button, so that way you can let other people know about the content that I put out. Now that we got the politics out the way, let's get into this. This is the front of the box. Obviously, this is what it looks like right here. Side of the box over here. Got a little website there. I like that they put that on there. Other side, same thing. Front, whatever that is, I guess that's their logo. Top, or I should say that's the bottom, and that's the top. And then this is the back here. Got all kinds of stuff. You could pause that, read it for yourself. There's your barcode over to the right. And like everything else, it's made in China. Now let's get into this bad boy. We got a little strap here, a little security strap. Full disclosure, I already did open this up and play with it, because I wanted to make sure that I can actually use this. But I figured this is so cool, let me share this with you. This is the little mount that comes with it. It extends two ways, extends that way, and when you press this little button over here, it extends out that way, and then so that way you can you can accommodate most tablets. And if you want this side to lock back, you just got to press it in again, and then close it, and then boom, locks. And then obviously this is your bracket that's going to your tablet. It opens up. You press it in from the bottom there, opens up that way, and like that, extends both ways there. So that's pretty cool. And then you could screw it onto the back of the bracket here, like so. Tighten it up. Bong. You could actually be in just a little stand for your laptop, or like you said, it goes into your into your controller. Here goes a laptop. Here goes a tablet. I know I said laptop before, but I meant tablet. It's a tablet I'm going to use. This is the Galaxy Tab A7. Okay, I'm going to have to extend out. Bong. Look at that. Like so. Now I have a case on mine, so I don't know how well it's going to hold. Well, it holds pretty good with the case, so it's not it's not really flimsy. You see, it's a little bit loose there, so I may have to figure, oh, you know what, this is not all the way down in there. Okay, so it's a little bit better. Alright, so now let's throw this in my drone controller here. Take this out. Put this in my drone controller. Bong. So my drone controller holds it like so. And the only thing I don't like, because my particular drone controller, it holds the phone on the bottom, so that's my dilemma that I have. But most people have DJIs, or most other drone controllers that have where your phone sits up top. So if you have your phone sitting up top, it's not going to be any issue for you. But for me, this is the only issue I have, so I'm going to have to do mine kind of like that. So when I'm using my drone, I'm actually going to be flying kind of like that, which is not the worst thing in the world, holding it like this, but you know. So hey, does its job. That's what she looks like on my controller. Obviously, I may have to figure something out with this case, because this case might be a little bit too big, or I may have to like see if I can get like a little extender there, just a little a little extender up top there, just to kind of come over that lip. That's the issue that I'm having, like right there, because the case is a little thick. But if I didn't have the case on here, my tablet would have fit in there perfectly, like no issues whatsoever. So if you could use something like this, definitely cop that. You got the little straps on here. You put the little strap on here, so that way you don't lose it. You can let it hang around you like so. Let me take the tablet off. On. Now, you know, when you're not using it, you can just let it hang, you know, drop down and hang off your neck. And then when you're ready to use it, just pick it back up. It's just right there, you know. So definitely, if you could use something like this, definitely cop this. I will put the links in the description down below. Neds, and this has been the quick impromptu review of the Rcgeek multi-function tablet bracket. Like I said before, links will be down in the description. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I'm out this piece. Definitely cop that if you can use it.